If you've been waiting for the perfect time to grab NordVPN, this is it. In this quick video, I'll show you exactly how to buy a NordVPN subscription and unlock their limited time 4 months free deal. Plus, I've got a few exclusive coupon codes that can save you even more. So stick with me until the end to grab them. First, head over to NordVPN's official website. I've dropped my special discount link in the description to make sure you get the biggest possible savings. Once you're there, you'll see their different plans. I highly recommend the 2-year plan because that's where you get the 4 extra months for free, giving you unbeatable value. Click on the plan you want and proceed to checkout. Here's the important part. Look for the coupon code or promo code box. This is where you can stack extra savings. Here are some working coupon codes you can try. NordSave 25 for an extra 25% off VPN deal 30. This one sometimes gives 30% off on longer plans. Secure 2025, perfect for new users, reduces first payment significantly. GTVPN 4M unlocks the 4-month bonus if it's not automatically applied. Stream safe, ideal if you want to use NordVPN for streaming. Apply one of these, click Continue, and complete your payment securely. NordVPN supports cards, PayPal, Google Pay, and even crypto if you want extra anonymity. Once done, download the NordVPN app on your device, log in, and you're ready to browse securely with military-grade encryption and super-fast speeds. And that's it. You just scored a NordVPN subscription with up to 4 months free plus extra discounts using my coupon codes. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more money-saving tech tips, and share this with anyone who needs online privacy at a bargain. Check the description for the special link and the latest updated codes. They expire soon.